How to change your server in Rise of Kingdoms. So one of the main ways you can do this is directly going into your profile. So you can find this once you're in your city or anywhere. You can find this top left little section as long as you go into your governor profile. Inside your governor profile, go ahead into your settings and then you can choose your characters. So here the servers will be divided and will be called somewhat like kingdoms. You press on your new character and then you can choose from here. So that's pretty much it. You will find your kingdom list. As you can see, you have light that will pretty much tell you the status of the kingdom. If it's green, you could join that. If it's yellow, it's crowded and there may be a hard time joining it. And if it's red, then there's most likely you won't be able to join that area. But that's pretty much it. You can go here to the create character section and then you'll be able to find these areas. If you want more and a different option, you can find it here in your world map. Just zoom out a bit and then press on the bottom right icon. It looks like a globe and then you will get the kingdom overviews. They're going to be as regions and divided as seasons and whatnot, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.